Under this heavy rain, you're selling water.
Yes, sir, please. Are you buying? It's very cheap, sir. It's very cheap.
So you mean someone sent you to be hawking water and drinks under this rain?
Sir?
And you're getting this gold? Come on now, which kind of person is this wicked person? What kind of nonsense is this?
Sir, please forget about the wickedness. Just take the
See,
drink.
where are your parents?
My mom and dad, they are late, sir.
How old are you?
I'm 23, sir.
23 years old.
Yes, sir.
You must be in your higher education.
I'm not
Okay,
going to
fine.
school.
You don't go to school. You know what? whatever relative you have, from henceforth, you're going to come to America.
Sir?
I'm going to take you to one of my houses. You're not coming to my house. Don't be scared. Okay, first of all, I want you to be confident that I want to help you. Here. This money, I wanted to use it for something. But this is $50,000. Take it. Hold it and drop this nonsense. Hold this thing. Hold it. This is rubbish. Why would somebody subject you to this kind of trash? Under this kind of heavy rain? You forget it. It means nothing. It's total rubbish. This is nothing. This is rubbish. Why would somebody do this to you? Have it. You are holding $100,000 in your hand. I believe you can do something with it. Don't go back to that your auntie's house. I know you don't know me. I know you're scared of following me in the car to go to my place. But I need you to take this money now. Find something. Okay. Cover it.
Thank you very much, sir.
You know, I like the road, right? Close to Alaba International.
Yes, I know.
Go to that place. They are only change meet all these house people. They should change it for you.
Thank you very much, sir.
Stand up. It's okay, stand up. Just hold it. Don't go back to whatsoever house you're coming from. Okay? I don't want you to follow me to my house so you feel confident and secure. Just use the money judiciously, please.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you, sir.
Somebody, go. Don't go this way again. Go to your house. Don't go to your auntie's place. Don't go to your family's place. Go to your house. Make sure she has gone far. She should come get her own house and rent an apartment and stay on your own. She's 23 for crying out loud. You're an adult. They will send you to go outside and say this nonsense. You can't be carrying it under the rain. Why would somebody subject a human being to do this kind of rubbish? What kind of life are we living these days? Why are people this wicked? I thought some that girl will use that money wisely.